Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या cooking channelaचेर. And today I'm come up with our Goan dish once again, and that is Kaju curry. So these are not raw Kajus. So you can make of raw Kajus also, that is ghonta they say. If I'll see if I get it in Mapsa market and definitely make it and show you all how to do it. So this is normal cashew nuts what is available. So I have taken 100 grams of cashew nuts. You can take whole or you can take like this broken one. And so you need 100 grams of that, 100 grams of that, and 1 tomato, 1 onion. So this we have to soak for 30 minutes and keep in warm water. Then next what we need is, this is 1 3/4 onion or half onion you can take. My daughter was doing some pulao today, so this way she chopped. So you take half onion. So then this is like whole tender coconut. Now I am using tender coconut. You can use any other coconut. So tender coconut, this is one full tender coconut. When you take, you get the water, and this is the inside one. So one of that. If you are taking the normal coconut, then again one of whole coconut. So it will be like 200 grams of coconut. 1 green chili, and this is like around 8 cloves of garlic. So these are going to be grind, okay, all together. Then few of again cashew nuts. So okay, and this will keep separate. Now what we have to roast together is 2 Kashmiri chilies and 4 Goan chilies or any other chilies you can use. So I have taken this 4 of Goan chilies, 2 of Kashmiri chilies. This is 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 small nutmeg piece, 1/4 like. These are nut mace, few petals of nut mace. Then 8 cloves, okay, and then 16 of peppercorns, 1 green elaichi, cardamom, 1 masala elaichi, that is black cardamom, a small piece of cinnamon, 1 flower of star anise, and this is stone flower, 1 of stone flower, small, like 1 2 3 4 petals, like 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. So these are the ingredients what we have to roast. Then a small ball of tamarind. Okay, these are the things what we have to roast. This coconut, because it is tender coconut, I am not going to roast. Otherwise also you don't roast. And this all, after roasting this, we have to combine all together and grind to a fine paste. This you have to finely chop, this you have to finely chop, this we have to soak. तर मानता तुम्ही हे सगळे बरोवन घेतले. हे जावन आसा आमचो घरचो गरम मसालाची कोडी करता, हे जावं आमचे काजू बियांच्यो. तो काजू बियो घेतल्या, कांदो तामोट आसा. मागीर यो आमचो आरसोल, आरसोलाचे नाल्ल, ओके, उदक पेली आनी ते आरसोल हें मातशें हें आहलें, तो म्हणून येता कच्चो नाल्ल, आनी एक मिरसांग, ह्यो कांदो, आमसाण, आनी थोड्यो काजू बियो वांट्टा पळय तेन्ना, कित्याक की काजू बियाची कोडी ते फ्लेवर मातसो आनीक येवपाक आनी दाटपूण जाता मातशें. आनी मागीर ही जावन आसा आमच्यो कश्मीरी 2 चिली, आनी ह्यो आमच्यो गोंयच्यो म्हापसाच्यो मिरसांग्यो, मोटक्यो मिरसांग्यो 4 घेतल्या. धनिया घेतल्या हांवें, सुकी धनिया. मागीर इल्लेसो हांवें हें जायफळ घेतला, आनी ही आमची पात्रीची पानां. मागीर ही आमची काली मिरयां, आनी ही आमची कालुफरां. मागीर हें आमचें जिरें, हें आमचें सौंफ, हें थोडें आमचें मसालाची एलायची, आनी ही नॉर्मल आमची एलायची. मागीर ही जावन आसा आमचें दगड फूल, स्टार अनीस आनी हें जावन आसा तें फातर फूल, स्टोन फ्लावर. आनी हें आमचें हळदीचो पिठो. सो हें धाकटी धाकटी कुलेरां. हें मातशें पळोवन घेयात तुमकां अदमास येवपाक. पूण तुमी तुमच्या अदमासाचेर तिखसाण वाडोवं येता, तिखसाण दिवं येता. तुमकां जें तुमच्या घराब्यान जरी तर खूब तीख खाता जाल्यार सुबेज मिरयां घालात, वा सुबेज मोटक्यो मिरसांग्यो घालात. तुमी जर तर उणें खातात तिखसाण जाल्यार हेजेकीन पूण उणें घालूं येता. ओके. तर ह्यो कांदो आनी नाल्ल आनी आमसाण आनी काजू बियो हांव आतां वांटून घेता आनी लसूण उदक घालून आनी हेका सगळ्यांक मेळोन भाजता. मातसो वगत भाजूंक जाय. आनी हेका गरम उदकान मातशें भिजत दवरला. 30 मिनिट पुरो. So 30 minutes is enough. You can soak this. This we are going to grind now to a fine paste. That is onion, garlic, cashew nuts and tamarind. And this is also ready. So I will wait till it cools down because it is hot. So I will wait till it get cooled down. And here is our masala ready. Fine paste. Now I have taken 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use any normal oil. And I will add our curry leaves to this. So now curry leaf is my favorite. You can use less, more, it's up to you. But I just love curry leaves. So 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use a normal oil. Then we'll add our finely chopped onion. Medium flame. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Teaspoon, okay? Small amount. And fry the onion very, very nicely. Till golden brown. We'll add our tomatoes. And we'll add cashews also now, and we'll cook it for few minutes. Now I'm adding the soaked one cashew nut. Medium flame. Now we'll add little water, that same one, and cover this and cook for few minutes. So I'll add now salt to this. And later we'll add more. And little bit of hing powder, half teaspoon. We'll cover this and cook now for 5 minutes. Then we'll add our masala. Now we'll add our masala, the grinded masala paste to this. And water we will add 1 cup later. But now let us put this only. So this is our whatever masala I showed you is like shakuti masala, bhasko masala. Bhasko masala म्हणजे मी भाजता मसाला तो shakuti masala. मिळून घेऊया आणि इथून आता शिजवूया. So this is our authentic recipe, Goan recipe of cashew nuts, raw or tender, whatever is there. But in restaurants and all, it throughout the season it's available. Kaju curry, it is on the menu of all the Goan restaurants. So we'll cover this and we'll cook this for 10 minutes. So now let's mix this. And now we will add our water to this, okay? So we'll add water. So I am adding like around 2 cups of water. You can add 1 cup, 2 cup, or if you want how the gravy to be, accordingly you can add the water. It's very hot. तर उदक तुमकां जाय तितलें तुमी घालात. सुबेज उणें हांवें 2 कपां घातल्या आनी तरी पूण पळय कितलो दाट आसा. तर तुमकां हेजेकीन पातळ जाय जाल्यार आनीक घालात. ओके. ही दाट खावपाक बरी. टू ईट वीथ ब्रेड्स इट इज यम or puri or it's very yum. So we'll check our salt now and give a little bit of like a boiling, and then we'll turn it off and garnish with coriander leaves. So we'll add a little bit of salt to this. So I'll add little bit of salt, that is according to my taste, so half teaspoon more. And just give 1 boil and it's done. So maybe 5 to 10 minutes we'll cover this and cook it on low flame. Now we'll add our coriander leaves and mix, and few we will leave for garnishing. And our cashew curry is ready to serve. Try this recipe and enjoy with Goan bread, Goan pav, or chapati, roti, bodes. Enjoy kajucurry. Kaju Tonak. बियांची कोडी बरे भशेन करून खायात. थँक्यू सो मच. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां ही सगल्यांक ही रेसिपी आवडटली आनी तुमी करून खातले, आनी तुमी म्हाका कमेंट बॉक्सान तुमच्यान सांगूं येता. थँक्यू. देव बरें करूं. So here is our Kaju curry ready, and we'll serve this nice way in a style. hope you will all enjoy this curry. Thank you so much. Here is our authentic traditional Goan Kaju curry. So it's amazing, tasty, yummy, delicious. Tonak amche kazu che biyanche biya kazu biyachi kori. Thank you.